It's time to learn, laugh and grow. Only on Kids World. Hey kids, welcome to Alphabet Tracing Fun. Today we are learning the letter B. That's big B and small b. Can you say B? Awesome. Let's start tracing together. B is for ball, bounce up high. B goes rolling by. Let's trace big B. Start with the straight line down. Now the top curve and the bottom curve. Let's straight it one more time together. Start with the straight line down. Now the top curve and the bottom curve. Wow, that's perfect. Capital B. Now let's trace small b. Draw a straight line down, then little curve at the bottom. Great job. Can you do it again? Draw a straight line down, then a little curve at the bottom. Wonderful. You trace small b so nicely. Look, B is for ball. Balls are fun to bounce and play. Good job, kids. You trace the letter B. See you next time for another fun letter. Kids, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell to learn all your ABCs with us.